Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off your active status on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com. So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your Facebook account. Then after that, just go ahead and click on the messenger icon at the upper right side of your screen. And now, once you've clicked on it, you should see a three little dots at the upper part of it, or the options button. And you should see the active status section. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. Then here you can just go ahead and toggle that switch off, but you can also customize. Okay, so active status on for some. So just go ahead and click on edit if you want to edit that. And here active status off for some. So just go ahead and click on edit button if you want to edit this section. Okay, or this option. So now just go ahead and toggle that switch off. So here you won't see when your friends and connections are active on recently active on this app. So make sure they can see this info about you. Turn the settings off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the save button. And now you successfully updated your activity status. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.